can go ahead and ring the bell. Yeah, Vince! So it was 7,890 units.
Woo!
And we spent a lot of time with these guys. Vince did such a great job understanding all the different processes that they had, and product did an amazing job putting something together that's going to work for them. And engineering has something fantastic that is just going to be perfect for their business. So we're taking them from a bunch of pieces of paper to all using our system for, right now it's going to be all accounts receivable on all their different sites. And they have a bunch of multifamily properties, 100% multifamily, and this is going to be really good for all of us. So thanks everybody.
What's their name? Where are they?
It's GSF, they're up in Fresno.
GSF.
All spreadsheets, so Paul's going to be really excited about
Go, Paul.
implementing that.
Yay!
Chris.